Prosecutor Anna Gardino laid out the brutality of the murder of Stephen Green in her opening statement.
You will hear from the defendant's own words in his confession to Detective Dennis how he shot Stephen Green when he robbed him, and how he shot him and Stephen Green lost his crutch and fell to the ground, face down, and was lying on his back. And you will hear from the defendant's own words how he stood over Stephen Green and shot him and shot him and shot him 3 more times because he figured he was in so much trouble he might as well just finish him off.
The other person who faced charges in the crime, Wheeler's girlfriend at the time, Lakia Jenkins. A murder charge against her reduced only to armed robbery in exchange for her testimony. She took the stand the first day.
I didn't think that he would shoot him.
And what were you thinking as Stephen lay on the ground and Ninja Hassan Wheeler shot him again?
I was just like, my life is over.
Wheeler took the stand in his own defense on the last day of testimony, claiming he acted as a lookout while Lakia Jenkins committed the crime, but had tried to take the rap in that taped confession, all in the name of love.
I don't mind doing jail time for somebody I love or something I believe in. And prior to the statement, I thought I was doing jail time for somebody who had deep feelings for me, but that wasn't the case.
The prosecutor in cross-examination wondering how he expected to protect Lakia when he placed her at the scene of the crime. The two got into a heated exchange.
At the end of the day, did you hear what I told him? If I could, I want her excluded from all of this. Did you hear me express my concerns to her? Did you hear me give her praises?
I ask the questions and you give the answers.
But it's like you only want to hear what you want to hear, man. That's not right.
You answer the questions, Your Honor. I would ask that the court admonish the defendant.
The defense rested with only Wheeler's testimony, and in the end, it wasn't enough to persuade the jury, who found him guilty on all counts after less than 2 hours of deliberations. The judge sentenced him immediately.
This case is cold-blooded, despite the testimony from the defendant who said it wasn't cold-blooded. That's exactly what it was. It's shocking in every respect, quite frankly.
Sheila Parker, WSAV News 3.